This is the city's brand new car wash, built right above the ocean. It uses modern hot and cold technology, offering a full service from start to finish.
First, a lift platform will raise your car and give it a gentle water spray.
Next, our rotating brush system will scrub your car from all sides.
Here, the soap station coats your car with a disinfecting wash.
This dual hot and cold system is our secret. Its two streams can even change your car's color.
Look, green to pink in a flash.
This place is sure to become the hottest car wash spot in the entire city.
To build the hot and cold car wash. Number 1, build the mainframe. The stay-in has 3 sections. One for lift system, one for the rotating brushes, and one for the soap dispensers. Number 2, build the cleaning system. Now, I'll build the lifting module. Worm shaft. This will drive the lifting module. Next, I'll build the rotating brushes. The motor. Number 3, build the soap supply. Soap solution. Water pump. I insert the soap tube. Place the roof. Number 4, build the top frame. Number 5, build the hot and cold water supply. I have 2 water systems. One holds hot water. One holds cold water. The water will flow down from these 2 nozzles. Entry ramp, exit ramp. Pouring the hot water. Pouring the cold water. Pouring both hot and cold water.
Finally, my turn!
Lift it up. Soap foam is being applied.
Let's spin the brushes.
Activate hot and cold streams.
I need a color change to go undercover!
Next car, please.
This is taking forever! Get out of my way! Let's start now, idiots! Oh! This new color, they'll never catch me. Stop right there, you thief!
How did you find me? I changed my car's color.
Slime Factory.
Welcome to the Slime Factory. The mysteries inside it are waiting for you.
Oh my god, so scary, help me.
Making a jar of multicolored slime to rescue Catnap. Good luck! Is the only way to escape from here?
I will escape from the slime factory.
Borax powder filling machine. Borax powder. Slime mixing machine. The slime slime has turned purple. Slime crushing machine and slime cutting machine. How to build the cruising machine. Build the frame. Add the gears. Testing.
Oh yeah.
I'm done.
Congratulations on overcoming the challenge. Stay away from me.
Thank you for making the slime. Let's play with the slime now.
Fluffy slime. It is very soft and contains bubbles. Magnetic slime. I'm squishing it.
Oh my god.
I will test it with the magnet bar. Magnetic slime is moving along the magnet bar. Snotty slime. Oh, it's really slimy. Water slime. It is very soft and liquid, similar to water. I can pour it into any slime jar.
Cheers!
Oh no, why is the machine not working?
Where is my drinks? I'm so thirsty.
I'm sorry. Please kindly wait a minute.
What is happening? Oh no.
Please stay calm.
Unbelievable.
I'll rate your restaurant 1 star.
1 star.
That's terrible. Rate 1 star.
Oh no.
The customers all gone.
I have an idea to attract customers.
How to build the soda vending machine. Step 1. Build the beverage pump. Add water pipe. Propeller. Add water. Step 2. Build the frame. Connect the pump to the machine. Cup holder. Step 3. Complete assembly.
Several days later.
Welcome.
How can I assist you?
1 Fanta and 2 French fries, please.
Okay.
Here's your fries.
Thanks.
Your drink is over there.
Enjoy your meal.
A giant Fanta cup.
We're running a special promotion for our restaurant.
Amazing. I rate your restaurant 3 stars.
Thank you.
My turn next.
I wanted to. I love this restaurant.
The biggest drink I've ever seen.
Awesome.
Your drink are ready.
I'm hungry.
When will it be my turn?
I've been waiting for an hour. Me too.
Finally, it's my turn.
Quickly, we're in a hurry.
Is my sushi ready?
Too slow. I can't wait more.
I'm hungry.
Sorry, your sushi is here.
Hey, I came first.
Wait, come here. Too tired. Hey. Ferris wheel. Step 1. Build the ring Ferris wheel. Step 2. Build double stand support. Step 3. Build the motors. Step 4. Connect the rim to double stand support. Step 5. Build the tray. How does Ferris will work?
Serve very quickly.
I will continue to support the restaurant.
My honor.
I'm full.
Spider? Oh my god, there are spiders in sushi.
Oh no, what's wrong?